Welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of the Open Network, or TON. TON is a decentralized and open internet platform that aims to create a scalable, secure, and interoperable network. Let's break down its key components. At the heart of TON is the TON blockchain. Imagine it as a distributed supercomputer or super saver capable of processing millions of transactions per second. This blockchain connects all of TON's infrastructure, forming a large ecosystem. But this is just the beginning. Let's delve into the TON blockchain itself. It's designed for maximum scalability and security. How's this achieved? TON uses a unique blockchain of blockchains structure, where each sub-blockchain can interact with others, ensuring high speed and efficiency. This structure allows TON to process millions of transactions per second, making it one of the most powerful blockchain platforms. There are also various features that make the TON blockchain unique. This means the network automatically spills into smaller pods or shards to distribute the load, increasing efficiency and speed. It also offers advanced smart contracts. These contracts can perform complex operations quickly and at low cost, making TON an ideal platform for developers building decentralized applications, DApps. Then there's TON's DNS. It's like the phone book of the TON ecosystem, simplifying the process of finding and interacting with services. TON storage is another key component. It offers decentralized file storage, ensuring your data is secure and accessible only to you. Unlike traditional cloud services, data in TON storage is distributed across many nodes, making it more secure against hacks and losses. Let's not forget about TON sites, which enable the creation of decentralized websites, providing faster freedom and security for developers and users. With TON sites, you can create a site that is always accessible without risk of censorship or blocking. TON is also integrated with the Telegram Messenger, making it even more convenient to use. Many apps such as Bloom are available in Telegram, enhancing functionality. Users can interact with decentralized applications right within the Messenger, making the TON experience even more integrated and convenient. An important element of the TON ecosystem is tokens. The main token, TON Crystal, is used for various transactions within the network. Tokens are used to pay for fees, staking, and participating in network governance, ensuring decentralization and security. The main goal of TON is wide cross-chain interoperability. TON is actively working on integrating with various blockchains, which in future will allow users to freely exchange assets and data between different platforms. The future of a decentralized internet is here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. See you next time.